guys, welcome to Tech Hacks. Today I am going to teach you how to create a object detection web application using TensorFlow JS. Okay, so there is a new keyword called TensorFlow JS. What is TensorFlow JS mean? So before moving to the TensorFlow JS, first we want to know what is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a free and open source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It helps you to develop and train machine learning models. I have attached TensorFlow official documentation URL in this slide. You can go through this URL and get more idea about TensorFlow. Okay, I think you get some idea about TensorFlow. Now we'll move to the what is TensorFlow JS. TensorFlow JS is nothing. It is a JavaScript library for training and deploying models in the browser and on Node.js. You can use any front-end framework which run inside Node.js or Node server like Angular, AngularJS, React and React.js. So in this slide also I have attached TensorFlow JS API documentation URL. You can go through this URL and get idea about how TensorFlow JS API works. Okay, in previously I have told about some new keyword called machine learning. What is machine learning? Actually, machine learning is a deep topic, so we need another video session for that. I briefly explain what is the machine learning using our today project. Okay, our today project is a object detection web application. Think how we are going to use machine learning for this project. In this slide, you can look a screenshot of our today project. What happened after run this project and open the project in the browser? Browser will automatically open our device web camera and there is a button called start detection. So after click that button, it will be predict and response us what are the objects in front of the camera stream. So this is the basic example for machine learning. Think before adding the machine learning, it's only show the object in front of our webcam or just video stream. Machine learning help to teach to machine, okay, this is a person, this is a mobile phone. Likewise, we can add machine learning to our machine. So after that only machine learns, okay, what are the what is these objects, what are these objects. Okay, let's move to the web application source code and how the project works. Okay, so before you start your project, so before starting this video tutorial, you need to clone the project which I'm already created. So I have pushed my project into my GitHub. So I have attached this URL inside the video description. You can take the video, the cloning URL from my description, and you can clone this project into your PC. Okay, so let's move to the project. Okay, so before I go through the code line, I need to tell something for you. That is, after creating the Angular project, so when you are creating Angular project, so by default it will be create a component called app.component HTML and there are typescript file called app.component.ts as a control. So you can use this by default one or also, and you can use your customized one when you are creating, if you are plan to create a customized component, and you can use this code inside your customized component. The only thing is routing. So after creating your customized component, you need to set the routing by default. So when you are open this project inside the browser, so if you are routed correctly, it will be open directly your project location, okay, your component location. If not, the project will be not open. By default it will be open this app.component HTML page. So you can create by that both ways. Okay, so first time go through the HTML part, that means view part. So in this view part, there I'm already attached a video element. Video element mean our webcam stream is stream inside this video element tag. Okay, So I have attached the video element and element ID. And there is a 3-button called stop camera, start camera, and load image detection. Okay, stop camera means you can stop your web camera, the stream will be stopped. So again you need to start the camera, so you can press start camera, then camera will be start. So load image detection, start detection. Okay, start detection mean if you press that start detection, it will be give response as like what is this object, it's a person or mobile phone or anything in front of your web camera. Okay, so after that I have attached a table, so this table contain all the predicted responses. Okay, so let's move to the controller class. Controller mean TS class, TypeScript class. Okay, in this TypeScript I have assigned a variable called two variables with height. So according to this with height, this video element will be show our web camera. Okay, so another thing is I have called the video element by, you can use get element by ID in JavaScript. So in TypeScript you can assign this video element tag like this. Okay, so after that I move to this ng after view init. Okay, so this method will after view is opened, that means browser open, call this method. Okay, I have called this method inside this main method, ng init method. Okay, you can use on init also, you can use this method. Okay, so now I move to the setup device. Setup device is nothing, it is the setup our web camera. So you can use navigator.media device. Okay, so that navigator.media device will be open our web camera. So you can assign a constraint in here, video constraint. So you need to video, yes, true. You need video sound. Okay, you can input sound tag and make true. It will be open video with sound. Okay, so there is a option to fetch. You need to open front end camera or rear camera. There is an environment. Okay, so you can set up. Likewise, you can set up the constraint and pass this constraint inside to this stream, media device stream. So according to this constraint, media device, if stream is success, we are going to equal this stream into our this video element tag. Okay, this video element. So it will be show our video stream inside this video element. Okay, so this is the simple method for open our web camera. So another method is stop camera. So stop camera mean stop the video stream. So another method is start camera. Start camera mean again you need to start after stopping the camera. You can press this button now. The button will be come to this method. Okay, so this is the main part. This is the object detection module, machine learning module part. Okay, so in here the code is very simple because there is a two way to use this object detection TensorFlow object detection modules or machine learning modules. One is you can use a predefined TensorFlow modules. Okay, predefined mean TensorFlow already trained and deploying their servers, so we can use that predefined pre-trained module, or you can use your customized models. The only thing is you need to train your model and deploy into anywhere in the server. So after that you can use that your customized model machine learning models. So I am using customized, not customized. I am using predefined object detection machine learning module. So that module is trained by TensorFlow. Okay. If you go through that URL, the previous slides, I'm told there is a URL. So in that URL, you can go through that URL and you can view these predefined modules and what are the modules we can use. Okay, so I'm using Coco SSD. This is the Coco SSD mean predefined object detection model trained by TensorFlow. So before use this TensorFlow model, predefined model, you need to import this TensorFlow model Coco SSD library or dependency and TensorFlow engine. So I have already set this import statement. You don't want to worry about this, and I have already add to my package. So here TensorFlow model, yeah, and TensorFlow. So you only want to do what you want to do only. You need to enter the npm install command, npm install. So it will be download all the dependencies, node modules to our project. So only you want to do that thing. Okay, so in here, after imported the statements, imported the dependencies, you can use coco ssd.load. So it means before you want to use this object detection module, you need to load this module. Okay, so the module, after loading this module come response as a module variable. Okay, so by this model variable, after loading this coco ssd, inside the coco ssd there is a method called detect. So model.detect, and inside this method you can pass your video element, video stream element. So I'm already tell there is a video stream element. I have assigned this stream into this video element. Video element mean it's already running our video stream in that video element. So you can pass this video stream element inside this method. So then its response as a predictions value. Predictions value mean simply it's an array. Okay, so array mean JSON array. In that JSON array they detect how many objects detected, and there is a key pair values. Okay, key value pair. So by using that key value pair, you can fetch your values, predicted values. So in here in this table, I am catch the values by key. Class key mean detected object, and the class is score mean what are the object score. Okay, likewise I am catch this key value pair. So finally we are open our project, and if we are press start detection, the detection method will be called this method, and get the responses of prediction values, and this prediction values catch by in here by key values. Okay, so let's move to the project. Okay, before move to the project, you need to enter ngserve command. It will be run our project. So by default it run on the 4200 port. Okay, so I am running just I'm enter 4400. Okay, object detection localhost 4200. This is the URL. Okay, now you can see my web camera will be open here, and my face is shown this in this video element tag. Okay, so now you can stop your stream in here. It will be stop your web camera. So again you want to start this stream, you can press start. Okay, it will be again start my web camera. So after start the stream, you can press start detection. Okay, let's press this button. Okay, object detection is started, please wait. Okay, so response has come as a person. Okay, detected object is person, score is this value. Okay, that means it's called that method, and I'm already shown that in here. So the values are catched by key. Okay, person. Okay, so now I'm going to show my mobile phone and me, and press start detection. Okay, so it will be not. Okay, so response will become the total object detected 2. Okay, 2 objects are detected. One is me and my mobile phone. So it will be detected, shown as a detected object is person and cell phone, and their score. Okay, so this is the today our video tutorial. In future I'm plan to teach you how to create a customized train model, and how to integrate that customized train model with your web applications. Okay, so subscribe my video channel and like my video and share my video. Okay, so let's see in your next video.